just had this great idea, so I wanted to involve you guys with me in this great idea. So I'm making pork. So I'm putting it all in my pressure cooker, like so, with potatoes. Can you smell it? So frito, so frito. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm just going to add 1 cup of water now. So I did adobo, sofrito, sazon, 2 potatoes, and a bunch of that pork that I got. And now I'm about to put some water in it. It always calls for 1 cup of water, which is going to do the potatoes. Do them taters up, y'all. Mix it all around. Yes. We're gonna be good. And then we are going to pressurize it. Let's go. Oh, by the way, guys, I cracked my pressure cooker, but it'll still work. So now I'm gonna turn it off and put it on meat and let that junk pressurize. We're gonna have some rice-a-roni. Kilo was so happy when he came home. He was like, "You love me, don't you?" Because I got him the apple snapples. He loves apple snapples. Huh, babe?
Yes, my queen.
Mm-hmm.
Very blessed. Very blessed. Lucky fella here.
Lucky fella here.
Shit.
Coming at y'all.
Lucky fella. My name's raised. Yes, my queen.
2 boxes. By the way, Kilo only eats the beef rice-a-roni.
Yes, very important. All the other ones are nasty.
Tomorrow, I think we're gonna have some chicken and that sauce that I bought and noodles. That's what I think. Did they tell you to brown it?
They do. The noodle thing, right?
Yep, they do.
Yeah, you fry it with the butter into those little lumps.
Yeah, I'm reading it. I just thought that maybe that was like your own thing, but.
No, but the better you brown that, the better it is. It's
Oh
weird.
yeah. Actually, guys, I should let Kilo. Babe,
My love.
why? They want to see you cook.
That-
Kilo makes a very good rice-a-roni.
You won't believe.
But babe, you know how to make rice-a-roni.
You know what, baby? Let me see.
Why? What are you doing? He got out of work early.
Sunday.
What are you doing?
Right now?
Yeah.
Relaxing.
Oh.
Okay. If I come home at a good time tomorrow, I'll cook tomorrow.
What? No, because you have to cook something that you know how to cook.
Yeah, goulash. Come on now.
No, I wasn't gonna make goulash.
I'm this way anyway. I'm gonna cook my specialty.
Next time we eat rice-a-roni, you can cook it. Okay?
Okay.
And what else you make good?
Mashed potatoes.
We're not gonna have rice-a-roni and mashed potatoes.
Oh,
Meat. We're talking about.
I can cook chicken, pork chop, ground beef, steak, whatever my queen wants, you're gonna get. How about that?
No. It's not about me. It's
I
about.
got barbecue chicken like I did last time.
All right. Next time. See, that's the problem, guys, because I'm the cooker here. So, Angie! Come here! Don't peek. Okay. Look at what I got you. Right. Your deodorant for school.
They're doing the same one in my room. Oh, I get 2.
One for school, one for your book bag.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, these sheets. Oh! I'm so fancy. These sheets.
Look what I got. Look what else I got too.
Wait, what? This is it.
It goes on your waist. It's a belt with a change purse. Nice, right? Oh, they can't see it. Got back up. Nice. Look, and they got the unicorn.
I love unicorns, guys. My favorite animal. This is exciting. I like this, Mommy.
What? You like that?
And the jeans.
You're welcome.
And deodorant. But I need deodorant.
Oh, you needed the deodorant.
Just not really a prize.
No, but I went to the store and I saw that and I was like, you know what? You like the other pair of jeans that I got the last time from Walmart?
Oh, these are the same ones?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. I'm not wearing it tomorrow because I'm wearing a skirt with a shirt and shoes
Uh-huh.
and belt.
Really? Is this a setup? Are you and your friends gonna do it together?
Yep.
I knew it!
It was my idea to both wear skirts together, but
Really? Who, you and Zoe?
yeah.
Your best friend?
She's wearing Minnie Mouse. Okay, Mommy?
All right, baby. I'm gonna stick some
Oh,
broccoli in it.
thank you again.
I love you. Oh, Daddy didn't even get to see it. Daddy don't know where his money went.
No.
He hasn't seen anything yet. I was definitely on point with that spending.
My baby's in charge. I know we're good at game.
This smells so good, guys. Suave, sweet pea, and violet. Not that I need it, but it's like right there. You can never put too much deodorant on, right? Anywho, back to the regular scheduled programming. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna get back to you. This is gonna take 34 minutes. So in 34 minutes, everything will be done. And I'm gonna clean up the kitchen real quick. Well, it's already kind. I just gotta do the utensils and sweep the floor and clean off. Actually, I have to do some stuff, but I'm not gonna do it right now. I'm gonna go drink some coffee and come back. I'll have time. So let me do this. See, I added the broccoli. Layla's totally gonna love me for that, but we gotta get some greens in somehow. That boy don't eat no green. He eats salad, and we've been having salad since I went to BJ's and got that huge salad. We've been eating it. So, all right, so we're gonna do that, and we're gonna put a lid on it. Bada bing, bada boom, you know what I'm saying? And let it sit. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so remember I went the last time with the girls and I got the cubes for the candles. Hold on. The cake batter ice cream. Oh, yeah. Well, I got one of these, remember? Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. So we about to hook this up right up on the table, right where my candle is. And it's about to smell like a cake. People gonna be like, you making cake? You making some cake? Nope, not making no cake. It's gonna smell like I am. I'm cleaning, hold on.
Sugar. Oh no, Mom, look.
What?
This is sugar.
And cream.
Okay, so
That's good.
sugar, cream,
Coffee.
coffee, and flour.
Okay. So that's that. We got 5 more minutes until food's done. It's my new water bottle. I'm trying to get my skin right, you know?
Nope. We just gotta change the TV.
What you playing, babe?
Maybe you do. Huh, baby?
What you playing?
I'm gonna try one of the games. I don't remember what it's called. I think it's lit up. I'm in a hall.
There's a pillow next to you.
Do you see what I see? Did the label do it?
Indeed, I did.
Yep.
So what are we
That shark
playing?
was intense, right, babe?
Huh?
The shark was intense, right?
Oh, why
I still gotta edit that one.
Oh, wow.
Why aren't we playing the robot game?
Robot.
You mean that whack one?
No, isn't that whatever you just said?
Whack.
Water. Okay, I wanted to try.
Wiggity 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 whack.
Okay.
Come on.
Press L to art.
Layla just asked me, why does it smell like cake in here? Hey, that was funny. That was so funny.
What? What?
He just left the door open. Layla asked, why does it smell like cake in here?
Yeah, why not?
Maybe I'm making a cake. Why?
It's most delightful.
The cake?
It's a candle.
Oh, you played me. I want to eat cake now.
Maybe I'll make
So
some
when
cake.
Mom was trying to put rice in here, this is what happened to her.
Yep. After I just cleaned. Just did that.
All of
Where's
this.
the broom?
I don't know.
Broom?
So now we have so much rice.
Thank you.
Hey!
I got it! Oopsie. Tell Layla. Oh, okay. All right. I was just trying to do this. That's all I was trying to do.
Hey!
Yeah? What? What?
See my hand?
Yeah?
Watch this.
Get out of here. Shut up.
I'm smoking again.
It doesn't do it like that. He does it. Kilo, he's not smoking. Oh, he is.
Papa can't ignore that. They'll get us all banged up.
He didn't blow out.
To the one thing he cares about the most.
You're having too much fun with that cigar.
That's smoking.
Alright guys, it's done. Can you see it? It smells so good. Alright, let me see. The potatoes have got, yes. The potatoes are freaking done. Dude. Oh my god, this is like breaking to pieces. Okay, Kilo does not like potatoes. Yeah. Oh, yum. Oh, yummy.
Oh yeah.
Bon appetit. Angie, come in the kitchen. All right, guys. So until the next video, that is all she wrote, and we will catch you on the flip side.